Hello world, how you doing? We are in Munduk today, but it's beautiful weather here in the mountains. Usually it's very cloudy and rainy, but at this moment, at least at this moment, it's very nice weather, as you can see actually behind me. But maybe in 1 minute it's gonna be like a big cloud coming through the restaurant here where we are. Actually, if you are watching us since the beginning, we were here already 2 times, or maybe even 3 actually. I'm not don't remember exactly, but we are here today again. It's already lunchtime. We need a little bit hungry. I'm also a little bit hungry. Actually, driving here is taking us like 2 hours, so we're gonna show you a little bit of the restaurant here. It's actually pretty nice place for lunch. In this area you have not much choices and selections around, and then we're gonna show you something very nice, very unique. I'm not sure if we ever go there to make a vlog, maybe once or maybe not. So I'm gonna show you a little bit around. Actually, you have great opportunity to see this place when it's sunny, because usually it's cloudy. So this is the restaurant above the clouds, as we are saying, and let's see where is the sign. Actually, I'm gonna show you. They have a nice sitting area. Usually here is the cloudy, but not today, not right now. They have Balinese music, so also some of you might enjoy. There is the Vishnu Garuda. By the way, this is the road going to, you can go to North Bali actually, beautiful mountains, restaurant situation. And here we go, Sayang enjoying her coffee.
Cheers guys. So yeah, we are so happy today that we are in Munduk. Just wanna have a you know, like weekend escape. And normally, you know, it must be cloudy and raining, but look at that now. It's so nice, clear sky. And look what I ordered, pisang goreng with the coffee. Cheers. Yeah. Oh yeah, so good. And also my lunch today, hot bakso.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, and finally we arrived to the secret spot, which is the Tamblingan temple. Beautiful place. And let me know in the comment section if you ever been here, because this place was very secret, I could say.
It's not a touristy place yet. You see that surrounding, you know, so still many natures, and you can still hear the birds singing, because this lake basically surrounded by, you know, the forest of the North Bali.
And also very interesting fact, where we are walking right now, like 5 years ago there was the still lake over here. There was a lot of water around the temple. Unfortunately, I don't know, global warming or something like that, or they use the water for something. Maybe this water is going to the villages, I'm not sure, but the lake is disappearing slowly, so it's great opportunity to show you also around. It's actually a beautiful place. Still, can you hear the sound of the nature, eh?
Halo Pak!
And a little warung here, local next to the temple. And well, there is everywhere around this jungle, lake, and I can hear a lot of birds in the jungle over there. Probably a lot of snakes also.
Okay, so the weather actually very nice, sunny, hot, but I
it's
can
cold.
see, you know, the temperature is cold, you know. So yeah, this is how it is. The area in Danau Tamblingan is not that touristy place, and I didn't think that we just pay for the parking, right, honey?
Yeah, 20k per person entrance. Yeah, here is the lake. There are kids swimming in the lake, and also you could take this boat, little boat, and have a tour around the lake. But I don't feel really comfortable nowadays on the boats.
I still remember that, you know, when I was a child, I can say that the water from the lake, yeah, actually go here until that temple. So actually that temple is just like the temple surrounded by the lake. But nowadays, slowly the water decreasing, and then maybe the volume of the water in the lake is also decreasing. I don't know, it's just like, how many meters, honey, this one?
Oh, it's from here up there. It's like 80 meters right now. Nearly 100 meters gone already.
Yeah.
So, yeah.
Okay guys, so this is basically the temple in the Tamblingan lake. So long time ago, this area is covered by the water, but nowadays it's so dry. unfortunately we cannot go inside unless we are praying inside. So maybe later on Damian will fly drone and then we'll cover around this lake and the forest in the North Bali in the Munduk area and also this temple.
I'm not hiding anything. I think you know me too well. I'm always coming up short on words. You should know that by now. We've been down this road, so I'm not sure what you think you heard. Just give me a chance. Look into my eyes. I can show you what I have to say. If you still can't decide, if you still think I'm lying, I will let you walk away. If my eyes can't convince you that I'm still in love since you first took my hand on that sweet summer night, and if your heart cannot trust me, then I say this must be the start of us saying goodbye. Keep wandering away. If you made up your mind to leave this behind, then I can't force you to stay. If my eyes can't convince you that I'm still in love since you first took my hand on that sweet summer night, and if your heart cannot trust me, then I say this must be the start of us saying goodbye.
Okay guys, so this is our trip to go to the Munduk, and then we had our lunch there, and then we go down in the Munduk area, especially down of the Munduk there is Tamblingan Lake, and then behind me Tamblingan temple. So nice, not touristy place. So yeah, and then Damian also showed you the, what is it called?
I flew a little bit drone, so I hope so you enjoyed a little bit of cinematography from this place. Today something different, and well, as always, we'll see you tomorrow on next one. See ya, take care.
Bye.